Despite using a completely new, but same size and resolution, sensor, the images from the M4 look quite similar to those from the M3. The new stacked CMOS sensor, branded XMR-RS, gives the photo sites their own layer while the circuits occupy the layer beneath. But the modification doesn't seem to have had a big impact on photo quality. It displays slightly better noise performance above ISO 800, with more detail preserved in dark areas, but nothing jumps out as well better. The photo quality is still quite good, sharp with decent color and tonal range, though I don't think surpasses the lower resolution but larger sensor RX100. There isn't a lot of detail to recover in the highlights. The video quality is very good, as sharp as you'd expect from 4K. While I prefer the more accurate rendering the RX100 produces with little fiddling, the RX100 IV has tons of controls to get the results you want along with a quieter lens and adjustment dial. The new sensor uses high-speed processing and additional memory below the circuitry for passing the image data along to the next stop in the process a lot faster. Sony also claims that this speed improvement defeats the jello and leaning verticals that you see during fast horizontal movement. There's still quite a bit of wobble that comes from camera shake when the image stabilizer is in standard mode. That's the best you can get when shooting 4K.